everybody. On the east side of Kingman, Arizona, going eastbound. Just about to pass by the Loves right now. Exit 59. We'll be meeting up with friend and fellow JCT driver and also fellow YouTuber ScottieD67. So we'll get over to just less than 10 miles away. Yeah, we'll get stopped over there at the Petro, and hopefully we can get there before him. And cause if I get there before him, and hopefully I can get him. Yeah, because I just got my drone back from repair too, so I might try to try to launch it after I land, after I stop there, and see if we can get some aerial footage of him coming in and all that. Kind of mess with him a little bit. So. I think I'm gonna have time to get the drone out. I think you just passed the Highway 93 interchange, or the 93 South ramp. If that's the case, he's gonna get to Petro right around the same time I will. I'm on the 62, only about 4 miles away, and I know he's probably in the same ballpark, as far as I know. I think I might get to the off-ramp at the same time as him. Might be just a hair ahead of me. that just beat me by by half a mile. So we're actually here. I can't see what he's doing, but I can hear what he's doing. It sounds like he's getting off the freeway right now, so. I'm on the off ramp too. He should be on the other off ramp right now. That's him right in front of us.
Over by the fuel pumps and wash the windshield. Yeah, Dunkin' Donuts. Looks like they're closed. Lights are on, but I think anybody's home. Well, let's grab a coffee over here at the fuel pumps and coffee. Dunkin' Donuts coffee is not that good anymore. It's some change of recipe. Or something. It's just not really that good. Look at these. Repair. Never seen so many trucks over here at Petro. I saw a broke down pump with where I can go, but somebody in my way. What are you doing, dude? Good. So you say, saw a broke down pump. Where are you going now, dude? Crossing my path. Everywhere you go, you're in my way. This will work. Get to the broke down pump this way. There's always somebody in my way, man. I just gotta clean the windshield real quick. And we'll park in front of the busted down pump. Stand by.
Alright, well that's all for this video here, but I am going to I do have we'll put a link in the description to to Scottie's copy of the side of the of what happened there, and actually our it's also his live feed where we actually had our meetup, and you could see a lot more that went on there. I didn't really see much point in pulling recording with my phone, me walking up to him and all the other stuff, because you get pretty much an idea from this what part of the lot he went to, where I went to, and from his video you'll see what transpired from there. But that's all. Hope you enjoyed, and I know it's kind of quick, not much to see at night, but it was kind of interesting coincidence how perfectly timed our arrivals in Kingman were together. Uh, so it's just interesting. That's why I decided to post this. I'll have more to post later. Okay, thanks.